In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Excel. Bold text is one of the fastest ways to make headers, totals, and keynotes stand out. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to apply it and how to remove it when you need to. Start by highlighting the text you want to emphasize. In Excel, highlighting simply means selecting what you want to format. Click a single cell if you want the entire cell's content to be bold, or click and drag across a range to select multiple cells at once. If you only want part of the text inside one cell to be bold, first enter the cell to edit it, then drag across just the characters you want. Take a second to confirm your selection is still active before moving on, because formatting only applies to what's currently selected. With your selection ready, click the Bold command to apply the change. You'll find it on the Home tab in the Font group, represented by a capital B. The effect is immediate. The selected text becomes darker and heavier, improving contrast and drawing the eye. This works the same for labels, numbers, and formulas. You're formatting the cell's display, not changing the underlying values. If you don't see the change, make sure the selection didn't accidentally move and that you're clicking the Bold button on the Home tab. Now, if you decide you no longer want that emphasis, the process to remove it is just as simple. Highlight the same text again. This is important because Excel only changes the formatting of what you've actively selected. Whether it's a single cell, a range, or specific characters inside a cell, make sure that selection is clearly visible. Then click Bold once more to turn it off. The Bold command in Excel is a toggle, so the same button both applies and removes bold formatting. You'll notice the text returns to its regular weight, and the button's highlighted state on the ribbon will switch off as confirmation. If some parts remain bold, it usually means the entire area wasn't selected when you removed it. So just reselect the remaining bold text and click Bold again. That's all there is to it. By carefully selecting your cells or characters, applying bold from the Home tab, and using the same button to toggle it off, you can quickly guide attention where it matters. Use it for headings, totals, and keynotes, and keep it consistent so your spreadsheet stays clean and easy to read. Thanks for watching and happy formatting.